Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Orion protocol. Today I want to show you how the price action of Orion has completed another bullish reversal setup, and it can lead the price action to break out the very strong resistance of $30 that the price action has found after the powerful bullish rally. And I have also shared a complete buying plan for ORN protocol at the Patreon as well. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and definitely you will also find a lot more other trading, the harmonic trading ideas as well. Now, first of all, let me just show you this chart. And here we can see that after this powerful bullish rally, the price action found a very strong support here that is $16. And after finding a support here, the price action formed this bullish harmonic bat move. But due to a drop in Bitcoin a day before yesterday, we can see that the price action even spiked beyond this buying zone or this potential reversal zone of the bullish bat pattern. And today's candlestick has been opened below this buying zone, but I'm expecting that it will be retraced back in this buying zone very soon, because this is a really very strong support so far that is at $16. And if we switch to the 12-hour time frame chart, then here we can also find that the price action has formed another bullish reversal bat move within the buying zone of this bigger bat move. If I place this pattern tool, then it will be easy for you to watch this next bat move, and you can see that after the formation of this bat move, approximately from this 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, approximately from here, the price action is getting reversed. And at the same time, the price action also has formed the head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, and the price action has reached at the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. That is at the same level where we have this $16 support level, and the price action is going to be reversed from this support and the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as well, because whenever the price action forms the neckline, the head and shoulder pattern, and reaches at the neckline, then the head and shoulder is completed at that point. Yes, we can expect a breakdown or breakout, and if you want to short any asset, then you can wait for the breakdown. And here the price action is not likely to break down this support of the head and shoulder pattern. And we also have very, very good support of 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart below this buying zone of this bullish bat pattern. Therefore, and in my point of view, these targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat that has been formed on this daily time frame chart, are still achievable because the price action has formed this bat pattern, and within this buying zone it has completed another bullish reversal bat pattern and have a very, very good support of this $16 and the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern as well. And if this 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame chart, that is a 200 simple moving average on the 12-hour chart, will be moved more up to provide the support to the price action, then it can be a very, very good support that can trigger a very powerful bullish rally to the upside. And here we can see that the price action has already found a very strong resistance at $30. At this time, our targets, our buying zone as per the Fibonacci sequence was this $18, $18.96 to $17.57. However, if you will buy below this buying zone and set this level as your stop loss, that is $16. Very strong support. You can see that the price action has found this support since after the mid of March. And so far, the price line did not break down this support and formed another bullish reversal move at this support. And if we make this level, that is $16, as our stop loss and set over these sell targets as our sell targets, then these targets are still achievable. That is from $22.26 to $27.22. However, the price action can move more up to break out the next resistance of $30 that the price action has found so far. Very strong resistance for the price action of ORN protocol. Now here on this 12-hour chart, we can see that the RSI has visited 2 times in the oversold zone, and the stochastic is already moving in the oversold zone, and the MACD is continuously turning bullish since when this RSI has visited the oversold zone. And if we take a look at the volume, then we had a very extreme sell volume here. On only one candlestick we have a good buying volume, but again the selling started, and at this time you can see that the volume has been decreased. And while moving down the price action, if I place this regression tool, that is really useful to find the different channels, and free of cost, available at the TradingView. If you don't have an account on the TradingView, then I've also shared the link in the video description to join there. You can use that referral link that I've shared. Now, after placing this regression tool, we can see that it has formed a very good down channel and moving very well by touching the support and resistance levels of this channel. And after getting bounced, the price action is likely to move up to this resistance, and here the price action we have already seen has found a very good support of $16 here as well. Therefore, we can expect that this time the price action can break out this resistance of the channel, because we are already moving in the buying zone or the potential reversal zone of this small bad pattern that will push the price action to this buying zone, and then this buying zone of this bigger bad pattern will push the price action to the upside to this sell targets that starts from $22.26 and ends up to $27.22. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me here at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.